4. One youth identified as Jim Wilson Thongni of Rangblang Pombriu village, southwest Khasi Hills district, lost his life after he was electrocuted under one post in one forest at the village near his house. Secretary of Rangblang Pombriu village, Bokstone Thongni, informed that the incident happened on Wednesday morning. After the incident, Thongni and the villagers have expressed anger against the Mepdcl for its irresponsibility and negligence of duty, despite being reported several times by the village authority about the damaged electric poles and electric lines which nearly touched the ground.
Isa ni kasnong nila persiang ban ai report la bon teligi report nila phai sik office banong bakidon ki post ndi tangle kidon ki post ki senar gelong thik kumgi senar wa jan kri office bude klem le ye tingi sang la ku office klem patio ngala ong chisin ba la da je ye fi ap tang to bari abriu dala ya bri pile gumno kidang la padi mi briu ti sa office ke hab ban le ye halol ka dijia ni kasnong ru ni mahab ban ong ba ngimdon ka jing song suk Sang la dagalong tangkum ni hapan ai ka report ka batikina sa keyboard ki bahalor tinang taru ngasu badong ba menem step ka jia kumto ninang mut ba kajing jia tang malumala ndala on page ni kirang ba snong ngilap ban ba upos la ingding hadu tenrajo ni upos wat kimrat kimreng ru ngi hang to knai risang kilayap.
The office of the CM of Himasora